everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today for you I've got a kind of review video but also just like a little chat, and I'm going to be talking to you today about a company who recently contacted me, and they're based in the US, and they had seen my channel, seen me on Instagram, and said they would really like to send something to me. And I was very intrigued because I wasn't exactly sure how I was going to talk about this, but I am just so impressed with this product that I can't believe that I was asked to review it. It's so nice. So yeah, the product that and the brand that I'm talking about is, I think this is how you pronounce it, LAJERRIO. Basically, this is their little box, and it is a very tiny black little box. And when you open it up, as you can see, I have a very, very pretty piece of jewellery inside. So yeah, they basically have a website. You can go on there. They ship internationally, and they specialise in really fine, beautiful pieces of jewellery which are very affordable. I think this ring was like $80 or $90, and oh, it's just stunning. It's so pretty. I have always wanted something very plain and simple to wear when I wear this ring here. This is a ring that my grandmother gave me when I was very young, and I've had to move it from one finger to another as I've got older because it's it doesn't fit. But I've always wanted something else that I could wear that would complement it, that would be nice and plain and simple, but slightly stylish and sophisticated at the same time. And when I saw this ring, I just fell in love with it. I thought it was beautiful, and yeah, they do sizing and they also do engraving. Here we go. Okay, so when it arrived, it came in the most beautiful, lovely packaging. This is the packaging here. Now, it came with my DPD, so it was really easy to track and trace when it arrived. Unfortunately, it did get a little bit squished in postage, but you know what? It didn't attract from the product at all. It comes in like two little drawers, which is so cute. So the top drawer has the ring box in it. That's in there, and then the bottom drawer, which is a little bit slimmer, has a gift bag, and then it has a cleaning cloth and a little card which tells you about your ring and how to look after it. So I do really feel that if it was a really special gift, maybe a wedding ring or an engagement ring, then this would be a really beautiful way to treasure that, and to keep it as a very precious memory, as well as somewhere really nice to store it if you did need to take it off for any reason. That wasn't just a small ring box that could get mixed up with all your other ring boxes. I thought this was a really lovely concept. I also really like the fact that they can do all your measurements and fit the ring to you. So at the moment they have a fantastic sale on, which is up to 50% off some of their pieces, so I definitely recommend you go and check that out. They're just beautiful. They do ring sets, so you can get like your wedding ring and engagement ring at the same time. Fashion costume jewellery as well, so if you're looking for something a little bit more fun and like everyday, then like there are pieces on there that you can get. Honestly, like promise rings, you know, if you like me aren't married and you just want you know, someone wants to make a promise to you, they've got those on there. They've got live chat on their website as well, so you can go on there and, you know, talk to somebody about the jewellery if you're not quite sure. I was just blown away by how many beautiful pieces they had on there. It was really, really hard to choose just one. They use silver mostly, and all the stones in the rings are cut sapphires, which are just so pretty. Like, they sparkle so lovely. I love the cut on this. I think it is so, so pretty. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. It stands out and it looks beautiful. I am very, very, very happy with the piece that I chose and with the service that I received from them. And if I had to choose a engagement ring or a wedding ring or a gift as a ring for somebody, I would definitely be tempted to go on their website and have a little look, just because I'm really confident with the quality and with the service that I've received, because wow, it's really, really pretty. I felt like it goes really, really well. So yeah, when they invited me to try their product, or invited me to have a little look on their website and choose something and do a review on it, they didn't really say anything else other than just say that, you know, like, if I wanted to talk about it, you know, I could do. Yeah, they are just amazing. They are really helpful, really lovely. Go and check them out if you live in the States, or if you live in the UK, or wherever you live. You know, if you're looking for a beautiful ring, then yeah, have a little look and see if you can find your special piece of jewellery on there. So yeah, thank you so much for stopping by, listening to me ramble on. Yeah, I am going to take my little bit of bling with me out because it's a beautiful sunny day. And yeah, I will see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.